Most people think math is a chore created by ancient Greeks to ruin your high school GPA. But if aliens landed today,
They wouldn't care about our literature, they'd want to see our prime numbers. Why? Because math isn't just a school subject, it's the source code of reality.
Whether it's the way your heart beats or how a black hole swallows light, everything follows and disappeared, the laws of math would remain. Triangles would still have 3 sides, pi would still be 3.14155. It is the only thing in the universe that is.
Every skyscraper needs a foundation, for math with pebbles and fingers, but the real revolution was the discovery of zero. It seems like nothing, but without it, modern math collapses. Then come the primes, numbers like they protect your credit card info online.
Once we learned to count, we found numbers that shouldn't exist. Mean irrational numbers like the square root of 2 or pi, which go on forever without a pattern.
Imaginary numbers. We represent them with I, the square root of -1. You can't have -1 apples, but these fake numbers, your phone and GPS wouldn't work. Algebra is math with a secret. We use X as a placeholder for the unknown. It's the art of finding balance.
if you know the relationship between time and distance, algebra lets you predict the future rocket will be in 10 years. It's the language of relationships.
Geometry is math with pictures. It's how we conquered space. But it's not just flat triangles on paper, on a curved surface like our planet. This non-Euclidean geometry is what Einstein used to prove that gravity actually curves the fabric of space itself. Trigonometry isn't just about triangles, it's about rotation. If you spin a circle and track its height over time, you get a wave. Every sound you hear, every Wi-Fi signal you send, and every beam of light is just a sine wave described by the relationship between angles and circles. Standard math is a snapshot. Calculus is the movie. Derivatives let us zoom in to see how fast something is. Integrals do the opposite. They glue infinite tiny slices together to find the total volume of complex flowing shapes, like the amount of blood pumped by a heart or the curve of an airplane wing. The world is messy. Probability is the math of what if. It's how insurance companies bet on your lifespan. Statistics is the art of finding the truth hidden inside a mountain of noisy data. It's how we turn maybe into. Topology is donut math. It ignores size and looks at how objects are connectical because they both have exactly one hole. Then there are fractals, shapes that are infinitely complex. The closer you look, the more detail you find. Here, the chaotic beauty of coastlines, clouds, and even your own lungs. Math isn't a finished book, it's an expanding map. We still have the millennium problems, unsolved mysteries with a $1 million bounty on each. Math is the greatest adventure humans have ever started. It's the tool we use to peek behind. So what part of the map are you going to explore today?